Renovating a kitchen starts with careful planning. Begin by defining your goals and budget. Consider the layout, materials, and appliances you want. Planning ensures you have a clear vision and helps avoid unnecessary changes later. It is essential to know what you want before contacting contractors, as this will streamline the entire process. One of the most critical steps is finding the right contractor. Avoid hiring without checking for proper licensing and insurance. Always ask for proof to ensure they are qualified and that you are protected in case of accidents or damages. This step can save you from costly and stressful experiences down the line. Never settle for the first quote you receive. To get the best value for your money, obtain at least 3 quotes from different contractors. Comparing prices and services allows you to make an informed decision. This way, you ensure that you are not overpaying and that the services offered meet your expectations. Do not skip checking references. Ask your potential contractor for references and follow up with their past clients. Learning about others' experiences gives you insights into the contractor's reliability and quality of work. This step helps you avoid hiring someone with a poor track record, ensuring a smoother renovation process. Before signing any contract, read it thoroughly. Ensure all project aspects, including timelines, costs, and responsibilities, are clearly outlined. Clarify any doubts you may have. Ignoring contract details can lead to misunderstandings and disputes. A well-understood contract sets clear expectations for both parties, promoting a successful renovation. While it might be tempting to choose a contractor based solely on price, this is not always the best decision. Consider the contractor's experience, reputation, and quality of work in addition to the cost. This holistic approach helps you make a more informed decision, ensuring a higher likelihood of a successful renovation. Here are answers to some frequently asked questions about Boston kitchen renovation contractors. 1. Do you provide a free consultation? Yes, we do. 2. Do you offer a warranty on your work? Yes, we provide a warranty for a specified period. 3. Can I see examples of your past projects? Yes, we have a portfolio available. 4. Will you handle the necessary permits? Yes, we take care of obtaining permits. 5. How long will the renovation take? The timeline depends on the scope and complexity of the project. By avoiding common mistakes and knowing the answers to these FAQs, you can ensure a smooth and successful kitchen renovation. Speak to a kitchen renovation expert and start your renovation journey today.